The funny thing about this video is, most people who need it the most will click off in the first 30 seconds. But if you're still here, you already have something the average person doesn't. A small spark inside you that says, maybe I can change. People say it takes 21 days to change your life. That's what the science says. And they're not wrong. But what if I told you, you don't need 21 days? You just need one. Part 1. The day that changes everything. You don't change your life in 21 days. You change it in one day. The day you finally say, enough. Change starts when you stop negotiating with your lazy self. It's not about motivation. It's about making a non-negotiable decision. Right now you might feel stuck. Like your mind is foggy. You don't know what to fix or where to start. That's okay. That's why you're here. And I'll walk you through it. But before we do that, just take a second. Breathe in and out. For the next few minutes, focus fully on my voice. No other tabs. No comments. No distractions. This is your reset. Part 2. Reprogram your belief. Look, belief isn't magic. But it might as well be. Every successful person sounds delusional in the beginning. Because they believed in something no one else could see. That belief guided their actions. And those actions shaped their life. Right now, you might not believe in yourself. You might feel like you've already failed too many times. But I'll ask you this. What if today is the day you stop letting your past define you? Say it out loud right now. I can change my life today. Doesn't matter if you believe it fully. Just say it. Because belief starts like a seed. You plant it now. You water it with action. And one day, it grows. Part 3. The one-day reset system. Now let's get tactical. Do this today. Not tomorrow. Today. Step 1. Eliminate distractions. Uninstall every app that steals your time. Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Then do an 8-hour digital fast. No scrolling. No YouTube after this video. Just silence. Or reading. Or talking to your family. Let your brain breathe. Step 2. 1 hour of deep work. Pick that thing you've been avoiding. Homework. Business idea. Job application. Set a timer. No breaks. No multitasking. 1 hour. One task. Full focus. That 1 hour will change how you feel about yourself. Step 3. Lock these 3 things. Same wake-up time. Same sleep time. 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight daily. That's it. You don't need to change everything. Just change the anchors. Step 4. No junk food today. Not even one chip. Not even one sip of soda. Eat like someone who respects their body. Because today you do. Part 4. What you've just fixed. If you do this today, you've already done more than most people do in a month. You fixed your focus. You proved you can do deep work. You broke the addiction to scrolling. You fed your brain and body with good fuel. You took your power back. And most importantly, you made a promise. And you kept it. That's how belief grows. That's how change begins. Final message, do or die. So now you have a choice. You can click off. Go back to comfort. Scroll some more. Forget everything you just heard. Or, you can stand up. Do the reset. Make today count. Because this is not just another video. This is do or die. You're not stuck. You're just one bold day away. One strong decision. One real action. One deep breath. And your new life begins. If you made it to the end, comment, "Today is my reset day." And share this with someone who needs it too. Now go. Fix your life.